You probably have read the stories about the amazing, rejuvenating results that human growth hormone, or HGH, can deliver. You may be anxious to try it yourself, to see just how true these stories are. You may even be tempted to cut a few corners and obtain HGH illegally, either by direct mail imports or from underground street dealers. Neither of these shortcuts requires a prescription. We understand why you're so eager to get going. HGH replacement therapy can work miracles in an almost magic-like manner. From gaining muscle mass, watching your fat melt away, your skin regaining its youthful glow, your aches and joint pains vanishing, and to experience the exhilaration of feeling your libido come roaring back. It's all true. HGH can accomplish all of these astonishing trips back in time and much more. There are 3 reasons why you should never consider getting HGH illegally. First, quality. There have been countless examples of mail order imports of HGH that have not lived up to what was promised. Typically, the first shipment is 100% pure. The blood tests of those receiving imported HGH show that their HGH levels are higher, thus prompting a reorder, often far larger than the first batch. The problem? The second batch is water. That's right, water. Now the blood tests show 0 increase in HGH. Worse, your credit card information is in the hands of those who have proven themselves to be dishonest. This may turn out to be a far larger problem than merely being ripped off by the placebo product. Buying HGH from an underground street dealer at the gym is no better, and maybe far worse. Do you know what's in the so-called HGH? And if complications arise, you have no legal recourse. It's not like you can pick up the phone and dial 911. Remember, you have broken the law, so now the law is not on your side. In fact, there was one report of a victim stating that when he confronted the dealer who sold him a worthless HGH placebo, the dealer pulled out his cell phone, pretended to offer it to the victim, and mockingly asked, "Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters?" Enough said. Keep it legal. The second reason for obtaining HGH legally is that federal laws consider human growth hormone a controlled substance. This means that possession of HGH without a prescription could result in a substantial fine, probation, and even a possible jail sentence, not to mention a lifetime criminal record. All of these unfortunate consequences can put a massive roadblock on your way to obtaining the benefits of growth hormone. Again, keep it legal. It's just not worth the risk. The third reason for not obtaining HGH illegally is simple. It is so easy to get your supply of HGH legally. So the decision is entirely in your hands. If you are willing to risk your health by buying HGH illegally with God knows what in the ingredients, if you are willing to risk throwing away your hard-earned money, if you are willing to risk fines, probation, prison, and a criminal record, then go ahead. Buy HGH illegally. Good luck, you'll need it. You are probably not looking for just a short-term fix to the problems of aging or an uncertain one. And that is exactly what buying HGH illegally can bring. Fortunately, there is a second option. Join our team. We have the training, experience, and professionalism to guide you on your path to the benefits of injectable HGH. We do this safely, conveniently, and legally. Don't risk your precious health, your hard-earned cash, and your good name and reputation. Stay off the dark path. Let HGH work its wonders in the right way. Let's get going. Contact us for a free, no-obligation discussion of the treatment options we have to offer you.